Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to see question from December 2017 consisting of 4.75 marks. This question is from integral equations. The question is, let phi be the solution of the given integral equation. So this equation is given to us, right? What kind this equation is? It is a Fredholm differential equation of second kind, right? Because the limits are given to be constants. Moreover, the interval for x is given to be 0 to 1. Then they are asking the solution phi at the point 0 is which of these and at 1 is which of these. So obviously we can see two options would be correct. So let us see what is the solution of this equation. Let us get started. So let the equation this 1 upon 2 phi of x minus integration from 0 to 1 e to the power x minus y phi of y dy is equal to x square could be rewritten as phi of x is equal to 2 multiplied by x square plus integration 0 to 1 e to the power x minus y phi of y dy, right? Because now this unknown is in the left hand side, because this is the usual notation in which we write the integral equation. This is our f of x, right? And this is the kernel. So here we can see that this kernel is in the separable form, right? So we can write this as 2x square, and here we can write this as 2 e to the power x common because it does not contain y term, and then I could write this as integration from 0 to 1 e to the power minus y phi of y dy, right? So now let us solve this. I can call this term as some constant c, right? So what my phi becomes, the phi of x, it becomes 2x square plus 2 e to the power x into c, right? So this would be our solution, and here we need to find what is the value of c. So what is c over here? C is equal to integration from 0 to 1 e to the power minus y phi of y dy. Now here I have to substitute the value of phi of y in order to calculate this c. So what is our phi of y? So phi of y could be obtained from here. If I change the variable x to y, I have this phi of y which is equal to 2y square plus 2 e to the power y into c. So let me substitute this value into this equation. So we'll have c is equal to integration from 0 to 1 e to the power minus y multiplied by 2y square plus 2 e to the power y into c dy. So this is our equation. So let us solve it a bit. We have to perform integrations. So this is integration from 0 to 1 e to the power minus y. This 2 could be taken out into y square dy, and another term is plus 2c, being constants come out of the integration sign. So it would be 2c integration from 0 to 1 e to the power minus y into e to the power y dy. So this terms ultimately becomes 1, right? So integration of 1 would be just y, and the limits are from 0 to 1, so we have this term, right? And here we have to apply the product rule, integration by parts, right? So we'll assume this as our first function and this as our second function, right? So I can do this as first function as it is. Integration of second would be this, limits from 0 to 1 minus integration 0 to 1, derivative of first, that would be 2y into integration of second e to the power minus y upon minus 1 dy, right? So this is our second term. So we have c is equal to 2. Let me put the limits over here. So this would be, if I substitute 1, it would be minus 1 square, that would be 1 e to the power minus 1, and if I substitute 0, I'll have 0. So this term is this. Moreover, I have minus and minus, so it would be plus integration. It would be 2 into 2, 4, right? Integration from 0 to 1 y into e to the power minus y dy. And third term would be, here I am substituting the limits, it would be 2 into c, right? So this 2c could be taken on the left hand side, so we'll have minus c, that would be equal to minus 2 e to the power minus 1, and here again I have to do integration by parts, so it would be plus 4, then first function as it is, integration of second, limits from 0 to 1, minus integration from 0 to 1, derivative of first, that would be 1, integration of second e to the power minus y upon minus 1 dy, right? So this is our terms, these are terms. So minus c is equal to minus e to the power minus 1 plus 4 times, let me put the limits over here, it would be minus 1 into e to the power minus 1, and 0 would give us 0. This minus and minus would become plus, and the integration of e to the power minus y would give us e to the power minus y upon minus 1, and the limits are from 0 to 1, right? So let us see what it becomes. Minus c is equal to minus 2 e to the power minus 1 minus 4 e to the power minus 1, and here it would be plus 4, and it would be, after substituting the limits, it would be minus e to the power minus 1, and this minus minus becomes plus, so e to the power 0, right? So minus c is equal to, this would be minus 6 e to the power minus 1, and it would be minus 4 e to the power minus 1 plus 4. So ultimately c is equal to 10 e to the power minus 1 minus 4. So this would be our c. Let us substitute the c back into our integral equation, not into the integral equation but into this value of phi, right? So what our phi becomes, let us see. So our phi was 2x square plus 2 e to the power x into c. So, and what is the value of c? It is equal to 2x square plus 2 e to the power x. C's are 10 e to the power minus 4 minus 1. It is minus 1. 10 e to the power minus 1 minus 4, right? So let us solve this. Or you can simply say, what is phi of 0? Phi of 0 would be 0 plus 2 into e to the power 0 and 10 e to the power minus 1 minus 4. So it would simply be 20 e to the power minus 1 minus 8, right? So this is our phi of 0. 20 e to the power minus 1 minus 8. So option A is the correct option. B is discarded, right? This is the correct option. So now let us see what is the value of phi of 1. Let us see what is phi of 1 is. Our phi is 2x square. So phi of 1 is equal to 2 into 1 square plus 2 into e to the power 1 multiplied by 10 e to the power minus 1 minus 4. So it would be 2 plus 20 minus 8 e to the power 1, right? Because this and this cancels. So we have 22 minus 8e as the value of phi of 1. So 22 minus 8e. So this is the option third. So option third is the correct option. Option fourth is not the correct option. So the correct options are option A and option C. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.